Hi guys, and welcome to my Wednesday. I actually just got out of my annual exam. I am going to finally head home. It's almost 11 o'clock. My appointment was at 9:30 this morning. Usually after this appointment in the past, I would go to Barnes & Noble because there was this beautiful Barnes & Noble store here, which they recently tore down, and I'm so sad about it. So there's nothing really special for me to do now, so I'm just gonna head home and get something to eat. So I just got home and I am making some stew for dinner tonight, just putting it in the crock pot. This is the McCormick seasoning. And then I just cut up some carrots and potatoes and celery and onion. I browned the stew meat. So now I'm just going to pour this over and cook it on high for 4 hours, and we are good to go for dinner. So I love the crock pot, especially this time of year. There's so many great fall meals that I can make and just have it done. So totally appreciate getting dinner done early because the evenings are always a little bit crazy. Why are you so chatty today? Hey, what do you need? Just attention? Yeah? Okay. Come on. Come on. What? I'm coming. Hey guys, so it's about 4 o'clock at night. I just hit a wall. I don't know what is up, but I am so tired all of a sudden, and don't mind the mess over here. My office is a little bit of a mess. I've been at my desk for a few hours now. I just had a lot of work to do today. Just took some Advil. That's what that is over there. I'm getting a headache. So yeah, I'm feeding fast. I'm really happy that dinner is already cooked and ready to go. I still have some laundry to fold, and the dogs are actually at the groomers today, so I'm going to be getting a message any minute that they're ready for pickup. So I'm just can't even talk. I'm just trying to muddle along through the rest of the day. Maybe I just need to lay down for a half an hour. That's how I'm feeling right now. And yeah, that's it. Really nothing too exciting going on. I've basically been at my desk most of the day today. So this is where I'm at with the laundry. I'm just too tired. So I tried to lay it out in such a way that maybe it won't get too wrinkled, because I'm gonna have to deal with it tomorrow instead of today. So yeah, I have a sink full of dishes and I have a basket full of laundry, but tomorrow's another day and I'm just not feeling it today. Hey Madison.
Hi.
How was dance class?
Good.
You learning anything fun?
We started learning our tap competition dance.
That's exciting. Madison's doing competitive dancing this year. So you're doing tap and what's the other, just general dance?
Yeah, just jazz.
Mm-hmm. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to watch some Gilmore Girls tonight?
Yep.
Yeah, me too. All right, you can be excused. So I don't know if you guys watched my Boo to You readathon that I'm participating in this year. I shared that video the other day. Sorry, my cat is crazy tonight. But this is one of the books that I've been reading. Oh my gosh, Coco. What? What are you doing? Calm down. Oh, there's something. There is something driving her crazy. What is it? Anyway, what was I saying? This is one of the books that I'm reading for the Boo to You readathon, hosted by Emma the Bookish Princess. It's The Haunting of Bryn Wilder, and it is really good. It's creepy. It's just the right amount of creepy so far, and I love books that are kind of like ghost stories at this time of year. They're just fun to read. For the month of October, I love reading nothing but ghost stories and just kind of like darker, creepier books. Not too creepy, but I do like to read things that are more just scary in October, because that makes sense because of Halloween. So it's been really good so far. And hi. And I'm gonna go hang out with my crazy cat. I almost forgot to end the vlog. My cat's trying to escape. It's after 8 o'clock at night and I am going to get ready for bed. I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls with Madison and just call it a night. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along today. Again, I know there really wasn't that much exciting stuff going on, but I hope that you enjoyed coming along anyway, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.